Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Online Python Code Debugging Tutorial with Code Examples. Introduction. Debugging is an essential skill for every programmer. Identifying and fixing errors in your code can be challenging, but there are online tools that make the process easier. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to debug Python code online using popular platforms like repl.it and Visual Studio Code's online version. We'll cover basic debugging techniques, common tools, and provide code examples to help you understand the process. Step 1. Set up your online Python environment. For this tutorial, we'll use repl.it, a user-friendly online coding platform. Navigate to repl.it and create an account or login if you already have one. Create a new Python replace by clicking on the Create button and selecting Python. Once your replace is created, you'll see an editor where you can write and run your Python code. Step 2. Writing a simple Python program. Let's start with a simple Python program that contains a deliberate error. This program defines a function divide_numbers that takes two parameters and attempts to divide them. We intentionally passed 0 as the second parameter to trigger a zero division error. Step 3. Observing the error output. Run the program by clicking the Run button. You'll see an error message in the console indicating the issue. This error message helps us identify the problem, attempting to divide by 0. Step 4. Debugging with online tools. Now, let's use the debugging tools provided by repl.it to identify and fix the error. Click on the Debugger tab on the right side of the screen. Set a breakpoint on line 5, click on the line number, to pause the program's execution before the error occurs. Run the program again. It will stop at the breakpoint. Use the Step Over button to execute each line one by one and observe the variable values. Identify the problem on line 5, where division by 0 occurs. Step 5. Fixing the error. Modify the code to handle the zero division scenario gracefully. Step 6. Verify the fix. Run the fixed program. You should see the output, cannot divide by 0 instead of encountering an error. Congratulations! You've successfully debugged a Python program online using repl.it. Remember, debugging is a skill that improves with practice, so don't hesitate to experiment with more complex code and explore other online platforms like Visual Studio Code's online version for more advanced debugging features. ChatGPT.